Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. So into this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this WhatsApp error. So the error is we couldn't send an SMS to your number. Please try again in 1 hour. So I'm going to explain to you. Someone sent this to me. So it is my brother, it is my younger brother. He's not receiving code on his WhatsApp. So now let me explain to you what you need to do so that you can fix this once and for all. So what I would advise you to do is, the first thing you have to do is you have to click on your WhatsApp. You have to click on you have to go to the app settings so that you can clear the data of the WhatsApp. So you have to clear the data of your WhatsApp. You don't uninstall, then even you can decide to uninstall. But the most important thing to get this fix is that you have to, what you need to do is on your phone, just try to remove all the SIM. So when you remove all the SIM, just clear the data of your WhatsApp. You can decide to uninstall the WhatsApp. So after you uninstall the WhatsApp, go back to the Play Store to download your WhatsApp. So when you remove the SIM, just try to import the SIM into another phone. So after you import the SIM into another phone, your normal WhatsApp phone is not going to have any SIM. So try to connect to Wi-Fi with the phone, download another WhatsApp, and log in your WhatsApp, so that you are going to receive the code. So those are the method I use for my brothers, and his WhatsApp is now working fine. So try the method and hit me back in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.